You've probably noticed these styles of videos popping up on YouTube lately. In this video, I'll show you how to create these videos using two programs, Krita and Canva. Both of these programs are free, just Canva with a little bit of limitations in the free version. Okay, we'll start in Krita where we create our character. I make a super short video about the cat and why it sucks. We're going to create a new file. We're going to choose the default A4 horizontal format. This will be useful for drawing the background. And create. I'm going to introduce a little bit of the user interface first, but don't worry about just the basic stuff that we're going to use today. On the bottom right, we have the classic zoom in, zoom out. On the right, we have layers. On the top bar, we have brush thickness, eraser, and color selection. On the left, we have options for what the mouse cursor is going to do. Today, we're going to be using the brush, transform images as we move and zoom. We also have the option to fill the image with color and the color sampler. Then we have the object selection tools. Let's finally get to it. I first drag a photo of what I want to draw onto my desktop. I know with this style of animation, the quality of the result doesn't matter much, but I always like to see what I want to paint. I'm using the transform function right now. With it, you can zoom in, zoom out, and move the image on the desktop. Move the painting layer over the cat photo layer. Choose the brush function, change the color to black, and change the brush type to normal. There are lots of brush types to choose from in this menu, but for our type of animation, normal will do. We'll set the brush thickness to 20 pixels. We have the paint layer marked so we can start drawing. We'll start with the hands. In this style of animation, you want it to look as bad as possible. We'll paint each body part on a separate layer. Then you'll be able to animate each body part in Canva. To create a new layer, click this plus button. This way we create the whole character. Arms, legs, body, head and tail. Now we're going to choose the color fill function and change the color to orange. Make sure you are on the desired layer of the body part you are trying to color. Fill all the pieces with paint. We will have to modify the picture for the legs and the tail to fill it with color. Paint the ends of the legs, arms and tail with an orange paintbrush. Now we can fill these parts with paint. When we are done, we have to save each layer separately in PNG format. Select the layer you want to save and in the Layer tab, import, export and save layer, mask. Save each layer this way and you should have 5 images in PNG format. Let's open the Canva video format and upload our images to Canva. First, we crop the images to make them easier to work with and enlarge them to the size we want. And very last, we'll arrange our layers. This part of the Canva tutorial will be faster because I'm not showing anything new here. If anyone is more interested in animating in Canva, check out my older videos. Before I build the whole character, I would like to thank user XX Viral Vibes XX. Thank you for your awesome idea to make this video. We'll copy the arm and leg. Okay, now we just sort the body parts in the layer settings. And the character is done. Let's create a short scene. I created a background in Krita the same way and the car with the wheels all on separate layers. Unfortunately, I didn't get the drawing process recorded. Let's upload our new pictures. I changed the background color a bit so that the character is not lost. I'll leave this part completely without comment. It's described in more detail in the older videos. Statistically, every fourth cat is run over by a car.